How to play Pokemon TCG on Mac. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can play Pokemon TCG Pocket on your Apple Mac. So first, download Mumu Player Pro. It's an Android emulator designed for Apple Macs. Once installed, launch Mumu Player Pro. Then you will see a list of your devices. Click the plus icon to add a new device and choose tablet or phone. Next, customize your device settings. You can adjust resolution, performance, and frame rate settings. After setting up your device, go to the Google Play Store and log into your Google account. Search for Pokemon TCG Pocket and click install. Once the game is installed, open it and you are good to go. Touch controls are fully functional so you can enjoy cracking packs and online matchmaking. The best part, since the game syncs with your account, all your cards will be shared between your devices. And that's it. You are now ready to play Pokemon TCG Pocket on your Mac. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.